Hi stylers, welcome back to another video, and today we're heading to Maxie to check out their spring organization items. If you're new here, I'm Renee and I share everything in home decor and DIY each week. So let's head on to Maxie and see what they have new. So as I enter Maxie's this trip, I'm looking at these trolley. Now these trolleys are great for small spaces, for kitchen storage. They can be used at your office area. They can be used to store like your bottles, your sauces. If you want to store snacks and so on, if you don't have pantry space, they are great. Now they have them in white and black, and this was going for like $10,800. So this is a good thing to purchase if you're looking for space saving acts. Also at Maxie, they had this basket that you can use for like your vegetables, your fruits, whatever you think you want to use it for. This one is $5,200. So this can go like in a corner in your kitchen, or so just to put like your potatoes and so on. And they also add this kitchen cart as well. This can be used like a little bar cart, or you can also use it to store other items. This one is $7,100. So Maxie's really get some new stuff here that you can come on and check out. Over this section, I saw they had this two-piece basket. Wow, this is nice. This can be separated. This can be used to store so many things for only $8,600. It's a metal basket. It can use to decorate your space. It can the big one can put beside your sofa. This is a fruit basket as well. This one is a silver one, and this one is for $4,300. Heading around the other side, I saw this wicker basket. They are like from $1,600. This is great to put on the shelf, TV stands, and so it's great to hide toys and other games. This is awesome for different storage. They also add this basket below it. This one was for $5,000. It's a great item that you can purchase. Baskets are good, as I said, to hide clutters and all. So this is a nice purchase you can come on at Maxie's and get. Wow, around this side they had these black baskets. Wow, they have a lot of organization items that you can come on and purchase. This one was $1,800. This can be used to store so many things. They can be utilized in so many places as well. And they had the smaller size as well for like $1,100. They also come in a light brown color, so if you're looking for the large one or the smaller one in light brown, they had that as well. And they also saw some gray looking ones as well. They have large baskets that you can use to store like your laundry and other items, so you can come on and get those. Wow, these glass jars were like $990 for the small one. These are great to organize like your nuts, pastas, sugar, whatever it is you think is best. And they had another size for like $1,200 and the larger size for like $1,400. If you're looking for wooden dish rack or dish drainer, they had these as well that you can use. They had this one for what, $3,600. Not bad for the price. And they also had this smaller one beside it as well that you can come on. If you're looking for organizing trays or bins or basket, these small ones are $400. These are great to in your office area. I need to purchase some of these because I'm planning to do a bedside table organization, and I might just use some of these. The larger ones are like $800 of three, and they had a large wide one here as well that is not deep for $800 as well. These are some great prices. I think you can come on and grab them. Over by this section, they have some Joseph bathroom caddy. This can use to organize your brush, toothpaste, your shavers, your lotion. It's a nice caddy. I didn't see the price on it, but I think I saw one before for like 4,000 something the last time I came here. So it's around that price range. It's not a bad organization. And back to the kitchen as well, I saw this Joseph counter storage caddy. This one is 9,600, and this one you can store like a knife, your spatula, your whisk, your other small utensils and so on. This is a nice organizer for your countertop. They had other dish drainer here as well that you can drain like your cups, your pans, your pot. It's like a drying rack. They also come in brown, and I think I saw some gray. I will go around and show you the gray afterwards, but these are some brown, and you can use it to dry anything, any utensil or pots or so, and it's only $2,500. They have the storage item as well. These can use like a tissue in your bathroom and other storage items that you wish to store. This is a metal piece, and they have some smaller one as well. This is a gray drying rack that I was telling you about earlier. It comes in gray, and it comes in this lightish brownish or tan color. Let me know what color is this down below. It's a 4-piece drying rack. They had this nice table here with a little mirror in it. This is nice to store so many items, and this one was $9,700. You can use it to store so many things. It can use like at your bed, in your bedroom, in the bathroom, in the office, and this shelf as well is a nice shelf. This can be used on two sides of a fireplace. You can use in your office area, just for $28,800. They have these lantern stand as well that you can put candle in, and so these are nice to decorate certain spaces. And they add some smaller storage caddy here. They are 25% off these for $2,800. They also had chairs, cushions as well. So if you're looking for chair cushions, they have these for like $450. Stylers, thank you again for watching another organization video. Let me know what you think about items Maxie's have. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. See you on the next video.